If you have clicked on a spam email, do this. If you work with any organization, make sure you report to your IT admin or IT support any issues that occurs. For personal, if you have money, you will need to have a very strong antivirus, like Sophos or Norton, and you would need a cybersecurity protection on your device, IE computer, mobile or table, and you would also need to protect your device through the antivirus cloud. To make sure you won't have any issue as long as that antivirus is running on your device. For personal, if you are looking for something free, get something Avast Bitdefender for free, and it is a good start even if they are available for 14 days. Trial, make sure you have installed all the latest system updates to Windows Update or through App Store on Mac. And do a password change as a precaution if necessary, if you have any kind of identity theft recently. Here, if ever you have any concerns about having opened a spam email, the best course of action would be to run a full virus scan on your personal device to make sure there are no infections, and reset the password for your email account if required. The two most important things that are always the best course of action. Step 1: if you don't have an up-to-date virus scanner on your computer, I highly recommend Avast Antivirus. It is free and works really well. If you do a Google search for Avast, you can go to the website and download it from their website for free, and it will run a scan as soon as it installs. Like and subscribe for more.